Preparing your home for a residential roof installation is key to ensuring the process goes smoothly and efficiently. Start by clearing the area around your home. Move vehicles, outdoor furniture, and any other items away from the work zone. Inside your home, protect your belongings by covering furniture and electronics with plastic sheets or drop cloths, especially in the attic and upper floors where dust and debris are likely to fall. Don't forget about your family members and pets. The noise and activity of the installation can be stressful, so consider making arrangements for them to stay elsewhere during the process. If that's not possible, designate a quiet area in your home where they can be away from the commotion. Trim any trees or branches that overhang your roof to give the crew clear access and protect your new roof from potential damage. It's also a good idea to notify your neighbors about the upcoming work so they can prepare for the noise and any potential disruptions. Finally, make sure the roofing crew has easy access to your property, including gates, doors, and the attic. Discuss waste removal with your contractor ahead of time so you're prepared for the debris that will be generated during the installation. If you're getting ready for a roof installation, contact RoofWorks today to schedule your free roof inspection. We'll help you prepare your home and ensure a smooth, efficient installation process that leaves you with a high-quality, durable roof.